Yes, yes, sure. As you know, my name is Nutan and I'm from Mathura. I'm a homemaker and I run a YouTube channel as well. If I tell you about my qualifications, then I'm graduate from commerce and I'm blessed with two kids. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a really short introduction. Good. So, uh, should I ask the question?
Yes, yes, sure. Go ahead.
Okay. So, which topic you want to discuss? Current topic, yeah, it's past topic.
Anything you have something, then please let me know what is that. Okay.
Okay. So, I have one more topic in mind. So, this topic I want to say love marriage versus arranged marriage. Which one is better?
Is there much skeptical in the relationships? This also happens in love marriage. So we can't say. We never know. Anything can happen.
Yeah, these things
Yeah.
happen.
And in arranged marriage also this it is seen that like sometimes like the boy and the girl, they are quite they are unknown to each other sometimes,
Yeah,
and they are like their behavior, their personality, their liking disliking totally other way around, totally opposite. So but it happens like in arranged marriage they are bound to just retain that kind of responsibility. In arranged marriage they are doing it, and transcending all the boundaries, different kind of boundaries, but they are getting along in arranged marriage,
yeah,
transcending all the things, boundaries, or any kind of if there is any kind of misunderstanding or any kind of different things like liking and disliking, even though they are getting along in arranged marriage, I can say. But each and everything has their own exceptions, I can say. It's not about just arranged marriage, it's not about just love marriage. But yeah,
yeah,
in arranged marriage people are very, I can say, they are inclined to retain that responsibility anyhow. They tend to do this, they tend to do this, that we have to get along happily.
yeah.
But we just can't say.
Yeah, it's happening. Disadvantage, advantage both have available. But if I say in future, if you want to go marriage, in which marriage you are prepared? Not
Why
asking.
would I? Why would I?
I, that's what I'm asking. Not I'm going to personal life
I'm
in this
living my
generation.
life so happily. I'm living my life so happily. So like there is so much, blessings, happiness. So I'm so much elated,
So
and
you
all
get,
the time, full of beans, full of life.
so you get marriage on love marriage or arranged marriage?
You can say, yeah, it was arranged.
Arranged. Then after that, love marriage. No,
Yeah, you can say.
no, nothing. Love after that, arrange. You
You
said,
can say so. Yeah, but see, it's thing.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? If I go to marriage, which marriage is best for me? I'm not going to
First
tell
of
you.
all, focus on your career. Just establish
Yeah, after
yourself
career,
in any
after
career.
career, after career.
Yeah, this is my advice to all the youth. First of all, they need to establish themselves in any kind of career they are interested in.
Yeah,
And yeah, if you like anyone, so you can go with that. But first of all, you have to introspect,
yeah,
not just to the other person, to yourself as well. What are your feelings, emotions, understandings, that really matters. Sometimes there is so
yeah,
much rift, conflict in the relationships, so we need to take care of all the things. It's not about just love, it's not just about the arranged marriage, it's about how we tackle the situations, even though there is a
yeah,
conflict, a rift, a misunderstanding. So how we tackle things, how we sort out things, that really depends on the particular person, which kind of person you are, personality you are, what are your thoughts, your mindset. So that really matters.
yeah. So, do you know sometimes the parents is not agree with love marriage? Why? Do you know the reason? The people are.
Please again come again, please. I just
I said like this. Sometimes you know people, parents. uh, they can't agree this love marriage. Why?
Yeah, see, the narrative of our society is quite good and caring for their kids, whether it's a girl or a
Yeah,
boy, because they care, and sometimes they scare, they fear. Like my boy or my girl should go in a right way, and they
yeah,
should go with the right person. So
yeah,
they just care, and sometimes being a like a child, we misunderstand our parents, and sometimes there is a fight, there is a like concord,
yeah,
एक कलह भी हो जाता है like with this
yeah,
concord. There's a kind of affray between the parent and the child. Why? Because the child is quite inclined to get married to that particular girl or a boy, and parents, they just don't want, because they think, and they have these kind of thoughts that the girl is not good or the boy is not good. So there is a kind of conflict, affray between the kid and the parent. So they need to sort out, they need to understand, they need to take out, and they need to make a very good ambience, and open communication should be there if it
yeah,
is a love marriage. Yeah.
yeah. So, do you know at what age the protect the marriage? Yeah, I saw in my classmate and my friend also, they got marriage in this age. I saw, oh my God, right now I'm doing a study, they get marriage and they enjoying life. Then what do you think? This is good or bad? What is the age?
First of all, as I told you earlier, the focus should be likewise, that okay, we need to establish ourselves in any kind of careers, whichever you take the interest. And the other thing is like at least girl to a girl to a girl, I can say at least for 24 or 25 years
25.
nowadays, at least 25. Yeah.
And
And
boys?
for a boy,
But,
yeah, 27, 28, 29.
30
It
like
depends.
old people. 30 like old people. It's not good.
No, no, no. It's not old. It's not old. How can you say so? See, there should be a kind of, I can say, the maturity. If a
Yeah,
girl is
but
18 or 20, so they are not mature enough. Okay.
uh,
So I think at 24, 25 for a girl is quite good to get married.
25 like old ladies. Oh my God.
No, no. And it depends. And it's on your mood, your thoughts. It depends on your thoughts, like your decision. The ball is
Yeah,
in
yeah,
your court. आपको
yeah,
देखना है. The ball is in your court.
yeah. It depends upon situations, you can say.
Not that much depends on the situation, I can say. It depends on the person as well. If they are very much, excited to get married and all. So
Yeah,
first of all, they need to seek the permission from their parents,
yeah,
and there should be an, as I told you, open communication, and need to have a kind of broad mindset, not narrow minded.
yeah. So, okay. Yeah, this is nice things. People, those who watch, they understand what are the age limit to get marriage. I also don't know.
it's
After 20, yeah, I
it's
said after girls you do marriage after 25 and boys do marriage after 30, like old ladies and
no,
old
no,
boys.
not 30. No, I'm not saying 30. After 30, no, it's quite old. Under 30. For a boy, under
Under,
30. Under
okay,
30. I didn't say 30 or above 30.
okay. Under 30 is less to get married.
And
Yeah.
it's all your choice. It's all your choice.
How can I say it's all choice? Sometimes family can't agree
Of course.
to marriage.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
This is nice conversation with you, ma'am.
Same here.
Yeah. Do you
Thank
have
you.
any
Thank you
question
so much.
related?
No, no, no. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. So I one more question also. In if your son and daughter doing love marriage,
No, 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 no,
arranged
no.
marriage,
Please,
which one you
please.
are supporting?
No, please.
Which one you are
Please, please.
supporting?
No, no, no.